Accelerating signups with lead magnets. How do you go about getting people to join yet another newsletter? At the end of the day, you need the right mix of incentives, sign-up forms, and high-quality, valuable content to send out. Let's take a look at how to pull all these ingredients together so you can drive more sign-ups and sales. Step 1. Choose your incentive. The first step to building your email list is choosing the right incentive or ethical bribe to offer people in exchange for joining a list. These are traditionally called lead magnets. There are many options to choose from, but the key is to make it worth the price of admission and email. Offer exclusive deals and discounts. For most e-commerce businesses, a compelling magnet is usually an immediate discount or the promise of getting future discounts and information about future sales. You can position your call to action so that opt for the intimacy of members or any special offers delivered by email. Run sweepstakes or contest. Running sweepstakes and contests can potentially bring in a lot of signups, but they might not be interested in receiving promotional emails from you or buying your product. There are several email marketing and incentive-focused apps and services you can use to help make the step easier. Just remember that you should be looking for quality signups versus quantity signups. Give away free content. A better incentive is a free piece of content that contains irresistible value for your target customers and would put your drivers into a buying frame of mind. Here are some ideas to get you started. Women's clothing stores can create seasonal fashion guides to help women learn the latest trends and how to coordinate outfits and accessories. Booksellers can offer sample chapters of their bestsellers. Musicians can offer a free MP3 download of their new song. Photographers can offer free high-resolution wallpaper downloads. Travel bloggers can offer travel guides for specific destinations. The best converting lead magnets offer something that visitors can immediately consume and get value from having to subscribe to your email list. After they get the lead magnet, permit you to market to them. From here, you can start to develop a relationship with your email subscribers and promote your business to them. Step 2. Build a dedicated landing page for your lead magnet. Once you've decided on your incentive, your next job is to create a landing page on your website that is 100% focused on getting people to subscribe to your mailing list. It has no distractions and no other objectives. Your landing page content should include a persuasive headline, a testimonial to establish social proof, some text, or a video about your incentive. The benefits of joining your mailing list, and of course an opt-in phone. Everything else that could steal attention should be removed. Step 3. Direct traffic to your landing page. You can create a killer lead magnet, but it won't do much good if no one sees it. Luckily, there's no shortage of ways to drive traffic to your lead magnet in the hopes of combating subscribers and growing your list. Here are some proven methods you can try. Add a link in your social profiles. Pinning a tweet or Facebook post lets people see at the top of your Twitter or Facebook page feed, making this a prime spot to showcase your lead magnet. Facebook pages also allow for a call to action button. Be sure to take advantage of this and add a link to your landing page. Pick people's interest by using images and attention-grabbing headlines. Advertise using Google AdWords and Facebook ads. If you're struggling to get traffic, the quickest and easiest way is to pay for ads. If you've never created ads before, all have little experience in running advertising campaigns, you'll want to read about online advertising before taking the plunge and putting money down. Ideally, you are at the address of a pain point your customers might have and provide your lead magnet as a solution. For example, if you run a travel guide shop and your landing page is offering a free guide on how to travel full-time, you would be targeting travel lovers struggling to make money on the move. Leaf through it in blog posts. If you have content on your blog or website that is getting traffic, it's always a good idea to include a link to your landing page. This is called a content upgrade. If your incentive upgrades the existing content in the blog post, your reader is more likely to click the link to the landing page and provide that email to download the incentive. For example, I patch up with a blog post teaching the top 10 tips to make your dog happy could include a link to their free guide on how to train your dog as a content upgrade in exchange for information. Link to it in your emails. You are likely sending and responding to a lot of emails as an online store owner. This creates an opportunity to include a link to your landing page and get a lot of people to see it. The email signature is an often underused piece of marketing real estate that you can use to include a call to action and link to your landing page and latest offers to capitalize on every small email you send. As you collect a massive list of emails, it's important to start thinking about how you're going to use it. This is where segmentation becomes your best friend. Don't forget that having a big list should not be your main goal. First of all, because more emails will also turn into more expenses. If your emails are not targeted or engaged, your opening rates will be low and damage your email marketing performance by getting someone's email before they read anything you have written. Bribing them with some free report is never a good way to start. Over time, they will stop opening your emails and Joe's deliverability rate will go way down. Some reason for poor open and click-through rates is blasting people with pop-ups before they get to read anything, using single options, list swapping, not using the first name field,